Yeah, it's flashing.
A9.
A9.
Platform 5 for the 1747.
That's the one about 50. Oh no, I mean. Oh, that's such a fail, no! I'll try again.
Can you actually... Try and get one of the Cokes out.
Oh, the Cokes.
Pepsis.
Oh yeah, try and get that one.
James, you want curry?
Yes, please.
Yeah, James wants curry.
7. £1.20. Oh, I still got £1.50 in.
Do E8, E8.
E7? Or oh no, E8.
Epic.
Where's E? E8. Oh, what is that uni thing?
Okay.
What should I do?
Miles away. To get all the signatures.
Try again. Do A9 again.
What?
A9.
I've only got 50.
Yeah, you will have
I've got
one.
another one.
A9, do A9, because it's not chargy. It's only charge you on.
Should I do that?
Do A9. No, that won't do anything.
A9.
A9.
Where's 9?
Bottom.
Don't not charge at me. Let's film it. Film the thing. Wait, is it not?
Do they?
Yes. Look at this.
And it hasn't
And you have to
charged
charge
them.
me a thing. And I'm trying to get them all out.
Do A9 again.
E9,
Do
I'll try
A9.
and
Do A9. A9. It might give you 2.
A9.
Hey!
Oh! Yeah,
Oh,
did you film it? Did you film
Yeah, I
it?
You know
filmed it.
why? You know why?
Why?
Because it hasn't hit the bottom.
Yeah,
Because it hasn't hit the bottom, it doesn't think you're in it.
yeah, I know.
How many is there? 3.
Epic.
Oh, hey!
That was quite funny.
Now, 1.
3 bottles of water. Yes.